So my journey to come to Beauty Dental Practice really started with the fact that I've been wearing dentures for 3 years, and it's the full front top of my mouth. Horrible experience, didn't like them, had enough of them, and decided I wanted to look for implants. So I looked on research, I looked on my existing dentist. I was also recommended to come to Beauty as one of the options. I did the normal thing of looking at other places overseas, had a thought about it, got some advice, got some feedback, and decided I was going to do it in the UK. Furthermore, I thought the two choices that I had available to me were Beauty and one other. And what I decided was I wanted to know that I felt I was going to be cared about. I wanted to know that they understood how much of a big deal this was for me. And the fact is that I've had a lot of dental treatment over the years, so I was looking for a dental practice that really appreciated myself as a person and the fact I might be a nervous patient as well under such circumstances. So having done that, I came to the decision. I got great feedback. I really asked some challenging questions, and I found the guys at Beauty Practice, from everybody that I talked to, very much open and honest and fair, and giving me an idea of what was going to happen. Although my intention was to get it done as quickly as possible, I respected the fact that I was advised to take it over a longer period of time by Jag and also the team. So I took that on board, and I thought, right, I'm going to do this. So I'm not going to say that the whole experience was pleasant, because I had quite a significant amount of work done. However, at any time I always felt like I was being cared about. I was always asked how I was during any part of the processes and the treatments, and felt that I was given due consideration about my health and well-being, as well as how the actual process was going. So it's taken about a year to get this all done. I'm absolutely blown away by the results. Those are results. However, I also want to say that, I was very respectful of the fact that I was being treated by professionals, and the professionalism of the whole team has been outstanding. So I would say that if you're going to make such a significant investment in such a decision as having implants, which aren't cheap, then you would you wouldn't do anything wrong by coming to Beauty Dental Practice and giving them an opportunity to work with you.